Hello, I'm Kevin from Goldilocks Systems, and today I'd like to introduce you to one of our Epos systems. Now, we've been in the business for around about 30 years and we provide Epos systems for all different types of businesses, for pubs, restaurants, social clubs, convenience stores, etc. And we also deal with some more specialised types of businesses. Now, today we're going to be concentrating on the pub, restaurant and social club setup. Now, first of all, the type of hardware that we use, we only use Posiflex hardware. The reason for this is it's extremely durable. We give you a full 3-year guarantee. Now, KFC, for example, have got around about 3,500 of these units in across the UK, so it shows just how durable that they are. Prices wise, we're talking for a system like this, without a kitchen printer, around about £18 a week, and with a kitchen printer and a rear advertising screen that we're going to talk about a little bit more, around about £21 a week. So let's show you how the system works. So the front screen here, we've got all of our operators set up, and we've got it set up like this for speed. If, however, you'd like a little bit more in the way of security, we can have a Dallas key reader fitted to the side, so each individual operator has their own key, and you can then control what they can and they can't do. So I'm going to be Charlie today. So I press Charlie and it comes up with our screen. Now, each system that we do is tailored individually to your business. So you don't have to give us your lists and we send you a machine in a box. We come and we set the machine up for you and for your business individually. So the front screen here, we have our fast moving items that fall ready to hand. So if I press Heineken, it comes up with Heineken on here, and then on this screen, this is the screen that actually faces your customer. Now the advantage of this is that your customer can clearly see what's been rung in, or perhaps what's not been rung in, so this helps with security, and you can also advertise special events that you may have on. For example, you might have a trivia night on a Thursday. There we are, we've got a curry night there. Perhaps if you're a social club, you might have a bingo night, there we go. And that flashes round and round, and it's really easy to put those adverts on the system. So, coming back to here. So I've signed in as Charlie, so I'm going to have a pint of Carling, and I'm going to have a half a HPA. There we are, it's auto subtotals £9.60. Now, let's say I want some spirits. Big button there that says spirits, we touch that, and I've colour coded all the different types of spirits that you might have. So we've got our standard spirits on the left, and on the right hand side we have our gins. Lots and lots of places now seem to have a gin menu. So I'm going to have a Gordon's, and then rather than having to flick from screen to screen like a lot of the systems on the market, you have shortcut keys here. So we'll have a Gordon's with a tonic. I'm now going to have a double Tanqueray with a slimline tonic. That's it. Really simple. And then we can press our method of payment. Now at this point, it's worth telling you about the fact that we've actually partnered with Payment Sense. Payment Sense are one of the country's leading providers of credit card terminals. The rates on it are fantastic, and there's a bit more information on our website. So in this case, I'm just going to press cash. That sale is now finalised, and we can carry on to the next transaction. Now, that, as you see it, is perfect for any pub, any social club, etc. But how about if you do food? And lots of our customers do. So, we've got a button there that says food. We touch food, it then goes to another screen. This, we make it look identical to your menu. The idea of this is so that it's fast and it's intuitive for your staff members to use. So they're not trying to find items randomly and end up pressing the wrong buttons. So if I press the £10 menu button, and I'm going to have a rump steak, the first thing it does is say, oh, how do I want that cooked? I'd like that done medium rare, please. And I'd like that served with chips. And we can exit from there. And at that point, if you have a kitchen printer, so if your kitchen's some distance away, that can go straight into the kitchen. And the chef then gets the orders as you process them, rather than in one big lump. Now, at this point, some customers like to be able to pay first, others maybe want to run a tab. If you'd like to run a tab, we can do this as well. So we can say, right, they're on table number 4, so we press 4 table, and we're going to put those items on table 4. Yes, please. We can then carry on with that sale, or we can store it. And at that point, in the kitchen, prints out 1 rump steak for table 4. They want that done medium rare, and they want it with chips. And it even puts the time on there and the operator. Very, very simple. Now, other types of businesses, we've recently done an installation over near Stratford upon Avon. Very big site. And what they actually had a handheld unit, a waitress pad. This allows the operator to go to the table and place the order directly from the table. This obviously speeds up operation no end. It also stops items being missed off transactions, typically bottles of wine, as I'm sure you've all had that happen. So one of those, you can have this combined with one of these units as well. Let's go back to here. Now, there's also an awful lot of reports that we can have on the system as well. Standard product sales report and also security. And we can talk about that a little bit more when we come and see you. That's it for now. If you'd like to pick up the phone and give us a call, we can try and help you out as much as possible, or we can come and see you. Thank you very much.